Hello, in this video I'm with the POCO X3 GT and I'm gonna show you few camera tips and tricks. So first of all, we are going to start from the standard photo mode and the volume buttons. When you click once on the volume up, you can take photo with the 2 seconds delay. When you click on the volume down, as you can see, it works the same. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record short video. It works the same for the both buttons. We can also customize functions of these buttons by tapping on these three lines in the right upper corner, then opening the settings. And when you scroll down, we can find this option, volume buttons function. As you can see, it's set up to the timer shutter. We can set the normal shutter without this delay, or for example, we can zoom in or zoom out. Take a look how it works. On the volume up, we can zoom in. So we have to click and hold it or simply tap like that. And with the volume down button, we can zoom out. If you want to use the zoom feature, you can also do this right here by tapping on the presets. And when you select, for example, the 1x, you have to click and hold it, and then you will unlock this slider with additional presets. So right here, we can, for example, switch between 10x, 5x, or just go with the basic 1, 2, and the ultra wide lens. When you click on the screen once, just like that, you can find this sun icon and you can move it up and down to decrease or increase the brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you click on these three lines one more time, you can also add shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And you are also able to take timed burst photos. So you have to click on this little icon right here in this place. First of all, we have to turn it on and then tap right here so we can set interval. So for example, we can set it for like 3 seconds, and right now our smartphone will take photos in each 3 seconds, and we can, for example, take like 600 photos. But let's set it up for the 10 photos and take a look right now how it works. Right now, when you turn it on and set it up, you can just click on the shutter and take a look. For each 3 seconds, our smartphone will take photo, and it will take to the 10 photos. So it will be useful, for example, when you want to take the group photos, you can put your phone on the tripod, on any stand, and then you can just move in the front of the camera, make some poses, and the smartphone will automatically take the photos. You can also stop it by tapping on the shutter button. Let's turn it off right now. When you open the settings, you can find other useful options. For example, we can simply scroll down and we can use this option, tap to take the photo. So right now, you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. You don't have to use the volume buttons or this shutter. You can just click on the screen. Let's go back to the settings, where we can, for example, activate or deactivate the shutter sound. And you can also go to the customized options, like for example, you can change the shutter sound. So here you can find 4 default sounds that you can pick and apply to your shutter. Next, if you want to take if you want to take photos with the more details, you can use this 64 megapixel mode. So take a look how it works. Right now the photo was taken, and with this mode we'll get the HD preview. As you can see, there it is, and we can zoom in very close and also find a lot of details on these photos. For example, take a look how many pieces of the dust we can find right here. Oh, I just misclicked, I want to close it. And in the more modes, we can also use the dual video mode. So right now we are able to record videos from the selfie camera, is this one, and from the rear camera at the same time. You can also switch position of these cameras or basically create the picture in the picture. So you can decide your favorite theme of recording this dual videos. And when you go to the more modes, we can also able to download other useful options. Other useful modes, like for example the vlog mode or clone mode. So we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then simply tap on these icons to download this kind of the modes. I'm going to show you how it looks on the vlog mode. As you can see right now, it's download, so we can open it. Now just wait a little bit, and here we can find few presets. Let's pick, for example, this maybe activities, and right here in each preset you can find the automatic transitions, music, and other cool video effects. So let me show you how it works. You have to select the preset. That's by the way the preview of the effects. So that's like quick zoom out transitions. When you switch for this one, there's quick zoom in, and another one it's different. It's like zooming in, zooming out, going up and down quickly. There's also some kind of stop motion, and it looks like there is no any transitions. There is just like normal clips. So we can pick, for example, this one. And right now you have to hold your phone in the landscape mode, and as you can see we can find here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. It means that we get shot 4 videos. So let's shot it right now. Some videos. Okay, it will definitely looks better when you are outside, when you can record some cool objects, buildings, and other stuff. Okay, it's finished. No, it's not the last one. And to finish, just click right here. Tap on this switcher to confirm, and after a few moments, we'll be able to watch our video. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it looks. This is the vlog mode on the POCO X3 GT. And for me, that's all for the camera tips and tricks on the POCO X3 GT. Hope you like it.